Duiske Abbey, Graignamanagh, was founded by William Marshall, Earl of Pembroke, in 1204. It gets its name from the Duiske River, Duiske, or black water, that runs from Brandon Hill into the River Barrow. The Norman Cistercian monks built the monastery from 1204, and it took some 40 years to construct, the abbey alone taking 20 years. Local granite was used for the main wall construction, but special oolitic stone was sourced from Dundee for the featured work of the abbey.
Dundee stone, which comes from Bristol, was brought all the way up the Barrow on flat bottom boats by the monks. Now that stone can be worked better than the other stone, and one can cut that stone with a saw. It is, and yet it is very strong.
The Great Octagonal Tower fell in 1774, bringing down a portion of the surrounding walls and roof with it. The abbey remained in ruin until 1812, when it was restored with a low-pitched roof. The rubble from the ruins were spread throughout the floor of the abbey, and the new floor level was 5 foot above the original 13th century monastery.
In the 1980s, it was decided that the church needed renovation. So the old roof was taken down and a new roof in the same style as what would have been there originally was built.
The new great oak roof, which can be seen today, was built at the original 13th century level. The gables and nave walls were restored to their original height, and the beautiful roof was constructed in medieval style, using unseasoned Irish timber, fixing all joints with wooden pegs. Not a single nail was used. The new roof was based on that of another famous building in Kilkenny called Road House, built in 1594. The main centrepiece of Duiske Abbey shows resemblance to that of Road House's centrepiece. During the 1974 to 1980 restoration, most of the exterior of the abbey was rendered, except for the west wing, which shows the beautiful stonework of the original 13th century build at the main entrance to the church today.
A bell, and a group of parishioners went to England, to Kilkenny in England, to a foundry, and brought back a bell which is still there. In the 1918 reconstruction, that tower was changed around somewhat, and a different arrangement was made for the bell.
The processional doorway is one of the many beautiful features of Duiske Abbey, and was only rediscovered in 1916 by accident. During the 1974 to 1980 restoration, unlike the exterior of the abbey, the inside was stripped of any render, and it was then limewashed, showing the beautiful stonework as it was in the original state, and highlighting the beautiful window detail and arches made with imported Dundee stone. This can be seen throughout the church. The original 13th century tiles and floor level can still be seen in two areas of the abbey, where a glass floor cover is used. It is 5 foot lower than the floor of Duiske Abbey today. Duiske Abbey, built in the 13th century by the Cistercian monks, still remains pivotal in the life of Graignamanagh, village of the monks. It attracts thousands of visitors every year, and its sheer magnitude and beauty is clear for all to see.